Good day, my people. How not day? It's a girl again, QMTTV. Guys, support me by sharing, liking, and comment. Thank you so much for your support. So you see this red wrap, this gele. It's very simple, very simple and quick one. If you want to go to any occasion, so you can just try it. Very simple. What you need to do is to follow the step. You can see I just try to bring out some little step to the front. So after bringing some little step to the front, then I cross it from the back, started twisted the two hand, you twist it, then bring it up. You see that place? We're going to use rubber band. I'm trying to twist this very well. So we have to use rubber band to band it together at that middle. So very simple. Very simple, you see. So what we need to do is to just join it like this. You can see what I'm doing there. Very simple, very simple and quick one, guys. So that is what we need to do, just to gather it together. Then use pin. We use pin to pin it. You should use pin to pin it. So even the right and the left, we are going to pin it down. I will do that now. You can see. So we're going to pin that place and pin the other side as well. So we're going to pin the hop very well. Join it together and pin it very well. So guys, what did you say about this? Say something about the head wrap at the comment section. I'll be there reading all the comments. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have not followed this page, try to follow. Guys, more videos are still coming, more head wrap style are still coming. So a lot of fun are still coming again. So guys, don't forget to follow, like, and share. Most important thing, sharing is very important. Look at the back. So guys, I know you can do this. Bye.